Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the Rocket League mobile version on iOS. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step on how to actually do this because this isn't available in the App Store. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is grab your iOS device, so your iPad or your iPhone, and head down to Safari or a different browser. Now here you Google Epic Games Rocket League mobile download and press search. Now scroll down till you find the Rocket League Sideswipe website and the download now link. Simply press this, and from here you see get it on iPhone with the Epic Game Store. Simply open this link, and here we have the install the Epic Game Store. Now first we need to actually install the Epic Game Store, and here we have the notification that says that the app can't be installed. Now simply we need to do some settings changes, so let's do this. Press OK, close down the Safari browser, open up the settings, and here in the top we see allow apps from Epic Games inclusive. Simply open this up, and here you see a little queue. Press allow. Now this will allow Epic Games on our device. Simply swipe up and go back to Safari, press install again, and here we can start to install the Epic Games store. And here what this will do, once I swipe it up, as you can see, the Epic Games Store has been downloaded. Now we can open this up, and from out the Epic Games Store we can accept the terms, scroll up, and we see the Rocket League mobile version. Simply press install app, and as you can see, it starts the installation process right away. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.